Every great underwater tunnel begins long before excavation. Engineers first map the seabed, analyze geological formations, and to launch a tunnel boring machine, engineers construct a deep circular shaft. Diaphragm walls stabilize the ground, creating a safe. To launch a tunnel boring machine, engineers construct a deep circular shaft. Diaphragm walls stabilize the ground, creating a safe starting point. Now, inside the launch shaft, engineers assemble one of the most advanced earth pressure balanced tunnel boring machines ever constructed. As the cutter head excavates the seabed, hydraulic thrust cylinders, where geological conditions require a different solution, engineers construct massive immersed tunnel elements in dry docks before floating them to the site beneath the ocean. After advancing beneath the seabed, the machine reaches its destination. Two excavation fronts meet with extraordinary accuracy. Construction is complete. Now, before opening, the tunnel is equipped with advanced systems. Intelligent ventilation maintains air quality. Monitoring detects conditions instantly. Redundant systems protect every traveler. Beneath the ocean, this tunnel now connects people. Every stage reflects modern civil engineering. It quietly transforms millions of lives, while remaining